Hi, welcome to the channel. Here we've got a Nissan Micra K12. I'm going to show you how to remove the radio and get the radio code if you've lost the code. Very, very simple. The code cost me $4.99, but you might be able to get it free. I didn't want to wait. Right, first thing you want to do is a Phillips screwdriver, undo these two screws here. There's one there and there's one there. Okay, then if you undo the little flap at the top here and get a flat screwdriver and take these little tabs out, there's one tab there, one the other side. Behind there, there'll be two Phillips screwdrivers. This is quite a big screwdriver that I used and I did slip with it, as you can see there. Yep, there's the screws. Undo those two, then get the screwdriver and just pop up the front flap here. Then down there is a 10mm bolt. Undo the 10mm bolt, then the whole thing will slide out very easy. Like this. Hang on, here we go, and that does all come out, and I did clip the vent back in, it just popped out. And if you've gone on the internet, this is what I did. Micra, pick your radio which you just removed, put the serial code in on the back, pop your email address in, and then I paid for it. I didn't want to wait 30 minutes, and there you go, you get your code. Very easy. Yeah, this is obviously all put back together now. You can see it all working. Okay, well, I hope this video has helped some of you out. Very easy to do. You can get free codes if you want to wait for them, but I didn't. Okay, thanks for watching.